Hello, so this is my assignment for my justification as to why I chose my theme. So first what I did is I just created a Google Doc by going to New and then Google Doc. And then I just typed it in editing mode right here. And then I shared it. And you can see it's shared with Jeffrey Higgs down here. I just typed in the email address. And so then he came in, and everything that's highlighted in yellow is where he made comments. So here he suggested that I explain what grade this topic pertains to. He made a comment about how it was good application. And then down here he just made a comment about how this can be taught in a classroom. And then I went in suggesting mode just so you can see what I changed and added his suggestions right here and right here.